AutoCAD drawings can use blocks data to define geographical features. These blocks can have attributes associated with them. These drawings can be saved in the DXF format, preserving the blocks and attributes, which can then be imported. In this example, we will import 6 trees with different heights in crown factors. The DXF file can be imported using the Geo Import wizard. In the ribbon, click on Geo Import. Click on Next to start the wizard. Select the desired data type to import. Then, click on Next to continue. Opt to import either new or additional data. Then, click on Next to continue. Opt to import an AutoCAD DXF file. Then, click on Next to continue. Select the file to import. Then, click on Next to continue. Select the layer containing the relevant data. Then, click on Next to continue. The preview screen will show the location of the incoming features. Click on Next to continue. If necessary, a filter can be applied to filter the features. Click on Next to continue. Select whichever naming convention is appropriate for the data. Then, click on Next to continue. When the attributes are listed, these now also include the names and IDs of blocks as well as any attributes associated with them. Attributes can also be renamed to match them to attributes which have a specific meaning in calculations. Click on Next to continue. For the function mapping, an appropriate method of function mapping can be selected. When importing a single type of function, such as trees, a single function definition will suffice. Click on Next to continue. Set the default stakeholder to the municipal stakeholder. Click on Next to continue. The wizard can now be finished, which will create the actual data. The imported result can now be inspected or activated if necessary. The exact data per item is unique based on the imported features. The result shown here is all the same trees but with varying heights based on their individual attributes.